twinkle soft and bright, guiding Bear through the gentle night. Through the trees he finds his way, climbing hills at break of day.